How to deposit with Flinks. You might not be meant to. Ever heard of Flinks? No? Well, buckle up, because depending on what you're trying to do online, Flinks might be the mysterious force behind a seamless or frustrating experience. Flinks isn't a bank itself or some shady financial institution. It's a financial data aggregator. What does that mean? Imagine a translator between your bank account and the website you're on. That's Flinks in a nutshell. So, why are we talking about deposits and Flinks? Because for many online services, Flinks acts as the bridge to connect with your bank information. They use Flinks to verify your identity, check your account details, or even automate payments. Here's the catch: Flinks itself isn't designed for deposits. It's more like a peek behind the curtain, a way for other platforms to see what's going on in your financial world. But with so many financial apps and services mentioning Flinks these days, it's easy to get confused. You might be on a platform and see deposit with Flinks and wonder, wait, how do I actually deposit money using Flinks? Here's the thing, you probably can't. Here's why. Flinks doesn't hold your money. Remember, Flinks is just the translator. It doesn't hold your actual cash. Think of it this way, you wouldn't use Google Translate to pay for your groceries in a foreign country, right? You'd use your credit card or cash. Deposits happen through the platform, not Flinks. If you see a deposit with Flinks option, it's likely a shortcut. The platform you're on is using Flinks to verify your bank details and then handle the deposit itself. Here's what typically happens. You choose deposit with Flinks. Flinks securely connects to your bank account. The platform gets your bank information through Flinks, account number, routing number, etc. The platform uses that information to initiate an ACH transfer or another deposit method. So, how do you actually deposit? This depends entirely on the platform you're using. Here are some common scenarios. Investment apps. Many investment apps use Flinks to link your bank account for deposits. Look for a deposit or transfer funds option within the app itself. They'll likely have their own system for initiating ACH transfers or debit card deposits. Payment processors, similar to investment apps. Look for a deposit funds option within the platform. They'll have their own system for handling deposits. Donation platforms. Some charity or donation platforms might use Flinks to verify your bank details for recurring donations. Look for the Setup Donation or Schedule a Recurring Gift option. You'll likely be able to choose your deposit amount and frequency within the platform. What if there's no deposit with Flinks option? If you don't see this specific option, don't panic. It just means the platform uses a different method to connect to your bank. Look for options like link bank account, ACH transfer, or debit card deposit. These functionalities might not involve Flinks at all. The takeaway: focus on the platform, not Flinks. Flinks is simply the behind-the-scenes player making things smoother. When you want to deposit funds, focus on the platform you're using. They'll have their own deposit options and methods, completely separate from Flinks itself. Bonus tip: always be cautious when sharing your bank login information online. Make sure the platform you're using is reputable and utilizes secure connections. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.